Welcome to the property tour of 1447 Klamath Drive right here in Otay Ranch in Chula Vista. This property is located in a gated community and it is on the corner lot, and it is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's 2,900 square feet. The lot size is over 7,700 square feet, and this home has a lot of great features such as the pavers in the front driveway, the custom garage door, and all of the amenities that this house has to offer and the community has to offer. So let's go take a look inside. All right, so right when you walk in, you can see the large ceiling here, and then we have the travertine tile floor in the entryway. We have a really nice chandelier here as well on that high ceiling. As we walk this way, we're gonna walk straight into the formal dining area and then the living room area over here. So in these rooms, they are very spacious. They do have the crown molding up top, and as you can see, it's just a ton of space in between the living area and that formal dining area here. We're gonna work our way down this way where the flooring transitions from carpet into a nice wood flooring. And in this room, it's kind of more of that living room with that cozy feel. You have the fireplace here on this side, and then you have another dining table here or whatever you would like here. This room is very large where it attaches to the kitchen. And so let's go take a look at the kitchen. So kitchen does feature a large island, as you can see here. It has the stainless steel appliances, the dual ovens, the microwave, the built-in stove, and then obviously the refrigerator. A lot of cabinet space there, a lot of cabinet space here. And then this property does have the laundry downstairs. So you have this large laundry room right here in the downstairs area, right next to the garage. Here we have a nice walk-in pantry, and then we do have the backyard out that way with a large backyard. And again, it's private here because you're on the corner lot right here in a gated community. And so it definitely feels really quiet and really private. Downstairs also features a full bathroom, which we'll walk into next here. So a full bathroom with the tub and shower combo, toilet and the sink here, and then it does have a downstairs bedroom. So the downstairs bedroom is also really spacious. Again, this property does have high ceilings, so it makes this room feel even bigger. But that's one of those bonus features of having that 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, is that you have that downstairs bedroom and bathroom for the in-laws, for the kids, for guest room, anything like that. We'll work our way upstairs. So as we go up the stairs, you have carpet flooring throughout the upstairs. And as you can see here in the primary bedroom, it is very, very large here. You'd have a nice view of your backyard. Again, you're on the corner lot, so you have a nice view of some of the neighbors here. And then you have this huge bonus area, which is perfect for a TV room, an office, maybe a little gym up here in the primary bedroom. And then the walk-in closets are over here. So you kind of have your his and hers closet. So you have the built-ins here on this side, built-ins here on this side, and then we work our way down a little bit more. You have the makeup station vanity here, you have the dual vanities, you have the shower, and you have the soaker tub with the jets, and then you have your toilet room right over here. So the primary bedroom and bathroom is very spacious, it's amazing. A lot of great amenities here on this property. As we work our way down this way, we're gonna have another bedroom here. So this bedroom does have a lot of space, has a small walk-in closet there. So this is a secondary bedroom. In the middle, you do have your shared bathroom. So you have the dual vanities here, toilet and tub and tile for the shower. And then the other 2 bedrooms on this side. Again, house is very spacious, 2,900 square feet. So you can see, again, the rooms are very good size. All of the rooms do have crown molding. And then this area that we're kind of in is also a loft area. So you do have the 4 bedrooms upstairs plus the loft, and then that 1 bedroom downstairs. Last bedroom is this one. I like the theme of this one. It's got some sports theme to it. And again, another spacious bedroom. And that concludes the property tour for 1447 Klamath Drive right here in the gated community in Chula Vista. If you or anyone you know has an interest in living in this beautiful neighborhood, in this beautiful property, feel free to reach out to us today. Again, just a reminder, this property is 5 bedrooms plus a loft, 3 bathrooms. It's 2,900 square feet. The lot size is over 7,000 square foot lot. It does have the custom pavers in the front, custom pavers in the back, some beautiful overgrown trees that give it some privacy, and this is on a corner lot. So again, if you or anyone you know has an interest in this property, feel free to reach out to me today.